Now, we've long talked about mental health here on THV 11.
But that topic doesn't always come up when we talk about Arkansas jails. That's something the Pulaski County Sheriff is trying to change, pushing for more funding to address the issue.
But all new tonight at 10, THV 11's Ian Russell explains that while that funding was approved, more still needs to be done.
You were trying to tell me something earlier.
Inside the Pulaski County Jail, Sheriff Eric Higgins is listening.
She said, so if you don't feel like you can relate to me, that's fine. But this is what I care about.
He's used to doing that, but this time it's different.
And I was surprised when we started this conversation to have so many people talk about their condition and their needs.
Mental health is the focus of this conversation. Every person here asking for more help.
So if we can address the mental health in the facility, it makes it a safer facility for the employees and the other detainees.
Higgins says this has long been a focus of theirs, especially during the pandemic. Earlier this year, they signed a contract with Turnkey, a company who provides mental health services, but the County Quorum Court rejected that, citing incorrect procedure. Higgins says because of that, they lost Turnkey staff, leading to more issues.
The services have stopped. I mean, we still provide some mental health services in the facility, not at the level that's needed. I believe Turnkey had to let go approximately 10 employees that were hired to provide the mental health services.
On top of that, Higgins says they're operating over capacity.
Well, this is a 1,210 bed facility. Unfortunately, we're running we average in 1,330 in here.
Which is why the Quorum Court approved funds Tuesday to continue providing support. Higgins says it's a start.
The current level is not going to get us into next year, so we'll have to have more funding.
They present their budget for next year next week. Higgins says money needs to be spent to make sure everyone here has the access they need.
Mental health is something that has to be provided for, whether it's out in the public, us personally, or in this facility. It costs money, understand that, but we have a responsibility to provide that.
In Little Rock, Ian Russell, THV 11 News.
And know this, the decision to approve those funds was unanimous, with one member of the Quorum Court abstaining.